What's up guys, Entersy here and welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make light and rain, and it's exactly what it says. So let's go ahead and make two new sprites. First will be named sprite rain, and let's make it look like a rain, like, you know. So draw a line and select the blue color, like that. Okay, and also make the sprite light, that will be for lightning, and its size will be 640 and height will be 480, and fill it with white color, like that. Okay, now make a new object and name it object control. And now let me open this, and I'm going to show you what we are going to do. So step event control execute code. So what we're going to do is we are going to make it so the object rain will be created in random X position. So basically what we're doing is, alright, this is the X here, and this is the Y. What the hell? Okay, this is the Y. So let's say make it a little bit bigger. So this is X and this is Y, and we want to make the rain at a random position and even beyond this. So the rain goes like a little bit to this side. So if we made it right here till this, we would have a blank space right here, so that's why we're making it a little bit further. And also the rain rate at which Y it's going to be created will be -30, so it won't look stupid. So that's what we're going to do now. So say instance create random 680 and -30 and object rain, and copy paste that once again, so we will have more of rain. And also make a new variable, name it xx, and xx equals random 1000, so that will make a random number between 1 and 1000, and say if xx is more than 1 and if xx is less than 5, then create a new instance, and that will be the object light, actually 0 object light, like that. Okay, so let's make the object rain now. Object rain, and let's set its sprite, add event, step event, and let's say x plus equals 4, and actually x minus equals 4, and y plus equals 16, and we're down here. And add event other outside room, so if it's outside room, destroy the instance so we can save some memory in the game. And create object light, set its sprite, and say create an alpha equals 1. Now add event, step event, and say alpha minus equals 4, and image alpha equals alpha, and say if statement, so if and if the image, actually if the alpha is less or equals 0, then destroy itself, so we can also save some memory. And let's try it. Oh, let's make a new room also, and let's put the object control in there, and now let's try. So it's a little bit laggy, but still it should run good on your computer. Now let's see if we can get any lightning in here. I'm gonna get the new mixing, so for the better audio. Never mind, I'm pretty sure we could get the lightning. So please leave a like and subscribe for more. And you can download this project. There will be a link in the description to my website, and there is also all other projects. And I will see you in the next one. So bye.